हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टैट 2 इंग्लिश मीडियम का 2023 का आंसर की पेपर। यहाँ पे ये है पेडागोजी सेक्शन। A child is the first question इसमें ये पूछा गया था. A child is looking for his father. He walks 90 meters in east before turning to right. Then he walks 20 meters after turning right. Again he walks 30 meters towards right. His father was not there at his uncle's place. He walks 100 meters towards the north where he finds his father in a street. Find out the distance from the starting point of a child to the meeting point of his father. तो इसका आंसर है B 100 meters. Kohler was in favor of dash type of learning. It was inside cognitive learning. If Republic falls on Thursday in a leap year, then on which day Independence Day falls? So the answer here is Wednesday. D option. According to Skinner's principle, teaching complete behavior after reinforcement means. So इसका आंसर है यहाँ पे A generalization. In a code language, if 256 means you are good, 367 means we are good, and 358 means good and bad, then what will be the code of and? So here the answer is, यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन गलत हुआ है, शायद इसका हमें ऐसे ही शायद इसमें मार्क्स मिल जाए. और फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था यहाँ पे, फाइंड आउट द नंबर विच इज़ नॉट सुटेबल इन द फॉलोइंग सीरीज. सो हियर द आंसर इज डी ऑप्शन 89. एंड देन which document is recommending schooling without school bag for 10 days in classes 6 to 8? So the answer for this question is C, National Education Policy 2020. The process of generalization on the basis of facts is called. तो इसका आंसर यहाँ पे है B, इंडक्टिव रीजनिंग. उसके बाद हमें पूछा गया था नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो था, in the principle of human motivation of Abraham Maslow, which need comes first? So यहाँ पे इसका आंसर था B, सेल्फ इम्पोर्टेंस. नेक्स्ट है टेम्पर tantrum, comedy, fear, instinct. These are what kind of trends? तो इसका आंसर है C, that is natural. And then after that, I hope आपको दिख रहा होगा. फिर उसके बाद था people like धीरूभाई अंबानी और डॉक्टर APJ कलाम did extraordinary work in their field despite they were from common families. These are example of B option, achievement motivation. Next है that dash is necessary factor for reinforcement of any type of learning. तो इसका आंसर था D, strengthening. Then after that यहाँ पे था how many triangles are there in the following figure? So here the answer is A, 25. Then after that, which points are not necessary regarding the professional qualities of a teacher? तो इसका आंसर है C, expert in all tasks. In which stage of cognitive development of Jean Piaget children can have immaterial incorporeal thoughts? तो इसका आंसर था D, more than 12 years. Who gave the meaning of learning that is defined as any relative or permanent change in behavior that occurs as a result of practice and experience? तो इसका आंसर है B, C.T. Morgan. Then इसके बाद पूछा गया था what are the departments factors of child development? तो इसका आंसर है C, that is peer. Dash means to communicate or understand an idea or meaning from one place to another. तो इसका आंसर है B, that is communication. Evaluation of study during teaching in class means. तो इसका आंसर है A, parallel evaluation. As a teacher, you are teaching in a class. Dash is your voice and dash are sound of fan and different types of sounds. तो इसका आंसर होगा B. and then after that, what is the framework for school education according to National Education Policy 2020? तो इसका आंसर है सी. फिर था नेक्स्ट है डैश मीन्स प्रूविंग नेचुरल प्रोसेस ऑफ कंप्लीट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ वेरियस ऑर्गन्स एंड अपेंडेजेस ऑफ लिविंग बींग्स. तो इसका आंसर है सी, मैच्योरिटी. हु गेव द थॉट ऑफ होलिस्टिक एजुकेशन? तो इसका आंसर है डी, दैट इज गांधी जी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंटरेक्शन इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द फॉलोइंग इफेक्टिव क्लास बिहेवियर्स? तो इसका आंसर है डी, दैट इज स्टूडेंट मटेरियल इंटरेक्शन. और फिर विच टाइप ऑफ एजुकेशन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ चिंपैंजीज इनसाइट लर्निंग बाय अ स्टिक? So the answer here is education by internal perception. तो ये था हमारा साइकोलॉजी पार्ट इंग्लिश मीडियम में टैट 2 2023 का. थैंक यू. आई होप ये आपको हेल्प करेगा फॉर फर्दर स्टडीज़. थैंक यू सो मच.